Hey folks, it's Sean from Electric Plum here, and I wanted to give you guys a quick overview of our mobile iOS web simulator. This product was developed to make it easy for Windows developers and presenters to test their mobile web apps and mobile websites on a Windows machine, and it can be in particular very useful if you're presenting to an audience your mobile app or site, or maybe delivering to a client if you're a design agency. So let's fire up the simulator. And what you'll see is the simulator can simulate both the iPhone and the iPad. It can be driven by menu options up here, and they all have hotkeys, and I'll dive right in and show you what I mean. So first, let's fire up the simulator and let's visit a website like, say, ESPN. And what this will demonstrate is that the simulator is properly simulating the user agent and being detected by ESPN and other sites as being an iPhone. Hence, we're getting the iPhone user experience. The same goes for other sites as well as iPad detection. I mentioned the hotkeys and commands. We have commands for saving screenshots, for switching between the two different simulators, changing portrait or landscape orientation, and all kinds of views for zooming, enlarging, shrinking the device, and a full screen presentation mode view as well. So let's dive into those real quick. So with the quick Control L, I can switch to landscape mode. Control B, I can hide all the browser Chrome and simulate the experience the user would have if they added it to their added a web shortcut to their home screen on iOS. I can switch back to portrait. Let's go ahead and head over to another site like maybe jQuery Mobile. So let's search for it. And jQuery Mobile is an excellent mobile web library with progressive enhancement. If you're not familiar with it and you're a mobile web developer, you should definitely dive in. So let's go take a look at some demos and documentation here. So you can see we're getting this jQuery mobile web delivered sort of iPhone experience. So we can do things like look at lists. Let's take a look at some read-only lists, theme lists, whatever. List dividers. So you can see it's really nice. We can switch between the different presentation formats. With another hotkey, we can switch to an iPad mode and view it in iPad landscape mode. We can view in a full screen view, which is useful if you're doing a presentation, and simply a quick exit to exit out of that mode. And we can even view, take a quick screenshot with Control Shift S, and you'll see it saved that screenshot to my desktop over here. And if I open that, you'll see I have a nice, with transparency, just the Chrome for the device, which could be useful for making screenshots for a presentation or marketing collateral. That's most of the major features beyond being able to zoom in and out on the device, zoom in and out on the content. There's a lot of reset the zoom. There's a lot of functionality in here. So hope you guys find it useful. It's a free tool. If you're an agency that's looking for a custom branded version of the solution, for example, for presentations or doing delivering work to a client or showing a client how your mobile web work might look, please feel free to contact us. Or if you're interested in mobile app development services, that's what our company specializes in. Please contact sales@electricplum.com. And again, this is Sean Sullivan. Thank you very much.